How to unbox and set up the HP Color LaserJet Pro 3201 to 3204 and 3288 printer series. Step 1. Remove the printer from the box and power it on. Remove the printer, power cord, and setup documentation from the box. Remove all tape and packing materials from the outside of the printer. Remove any tape from inside the printer. Plug the power cord into the printer and plug the other end into a wall outlet. Note: HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn on the printer. Using the control pad, select your language and country or region on the printer display. Then press OK. Step 2. Load paper into the input tray. Open Input Tray 2. Slide out the paper guides. Load a stack of plain white paper into the tray. Slide the paper guides in until they rest against the edges of the paper. Close the tray. Step 3. Connect the printer. On the control panel, choose your connection method. You can select Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or USB. If you select USB, select Continue and connect the cable to the port on the back of the printer and to the computer. Then, continue to follow the prompts on the control panel until you reach the home screen. If you select Wi-Fi, select Continue and make sure Wi-Fi on your computer is turned on. On the control panel, select the same network as your computer and enter the Wi-Fi network information when prompted. Continue to follow the prompts on the control panel until you reach the home screen. Step 4. Choose a setup method and install the printer software. Once you have reached the home screen on the printer, you have the choice of 2 setup options. Basic, which allows you to print from a local computer or network, or Advanced, which allows you to use all of the features of your printer, including web-based tools for remote printing and multi-printer management. Note: if you choose USB as your connection method for your printer, you can only set up your printer with the basic printing option. If you would like to complete the setup process for the basic printing option, go to hpsmart.com/download to download the HP software and print drivers. Enter your printer model and then select Next. Once the download is complete, open the software and follow the prompts to complete the setup process. Once you have followed all of the prompts, the basic printer setup process is complete and you can begin printing. If you would like to complete the setup process for the advanced printing option, go to hpsmart.com/setup. Then select the option to install the HP Easy Start software. Once the download is complete, open the software and follow the prompts to install. If prompted to enter your printer PIN, open the cartridge access door to locate the label for the PIN. When prompted, choose the option to enable cloud features. Follow the instructions to generate a pairing code on the printer control panel. Make note of the pairing code when it appears. In HP Easy Start, open the HP Smart Admin and use the pairing code to pair the printer to your HP account. Follow the remaining steps to install the print drivers and finish the setup process. If you set up your printer for personal use, you can access HP Smart Admin by going to hpsmart.com. If you set up your printer for business use, you can access HP Smart Admin by going to hpsmart.com/admin. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.